Alrighty, so here's my Hoover vacuum over here, and this one here is the dead battery. So as you can see, no lighting, and again, just a one, it's not good. And then this is another battery that works perfectly. Lights up. Alright, is it a battery fault? Nope. And we got the charger, manufacturing code, all there. You have a second charger, just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. Take this, plug it in, no lights. Take this one, again, this is a good one. Lights. Again, this is the bad one. Plug it in. Blinky, 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 blinky. Something is wrong. Alright, last test. Does it work? This is the bad one. Plug it in. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Try to plug it in. Nothing. Alright. But, I take it out. Alright. We get a good battery. Let's plug it in. Oh. Here a second there. This is a good one. Yep. And we plug it in and full lights. So there you have it. There we have a battery that just does not want to work. Plug in, nothing.